So guys, for those who are always asking how to unlock MetaHuman Flash, here's this video. I will show you how. So let's see. It's very easy. Okay, I will show you first my characters. You see here guys, I don't have MetaHuman Flash. I already have unlocked all characters like Red Sun Green Lantern, Arkham Knight, Hawkgirl, Killer Pros, Arkham Harley Quinn, Black Knight Merchant Manhunter, Dawn of Justice Wonder Woman, Regime Hawkgirl, Arkham Knight Harley Quinn, CC Batgirl, Animator Sinestro, Arkham Knight Batman, Ares, Superman, Justice Batman. Just all characters is easy to unlock. But today, I will show you how to unlock MetaHuman Flash. Okay? But now, take a look all my characters here. So you know how. So you know I don't have it. Okay? How to unlock? Okay. To unlock MetaHuman Flash, we use Reverse Plus. Why? So let's see just see my description. I already put all characters list. So we open Reverse Plus. And then gear. Just open Game Guardian 8.3. First we put gear protection amulet. Search here. The code of this gear is 46595. So we open Game Guardian. Now 46595. Search. And then hide. And then hide. So it becomes 0. 0. Search. So now, let's see. We open first the last one because we have here 30. Supposed to be it's 20, but it actually happened this one 30. So a lot of people asking why Game Guardian is not sometimes it's not working, because the experience like this 30, because the normal is 20 only, but this one is 30. So how become Game Guardian is become an error? So a lot of person asking me why Game Guardian is sometimes cannot be working or not working because it's happening like this 30. But don't worry, just take a look. First we use the last one below 0, this one. Okay, and let's go to and then search for human Flash. Yes, this is black is for Reverse Plus. So we go up. Let's search for the block of MetaHuman Flash. Here. So you see 00 and then the number and then FFF and then 00. So we open at to unlock, we make it the 0 become 1 here in the middle. Put 1 Yes. 1 it means unlock. And this those 0 we put it here at 7, so it becomes elite. Right? Elite. Yes. And then this one is the XP. So I don't put XP because I already have this one, and I lock again. And this video I'll show you to how to unlock. So now you see 1 is means to unlock, 7 means to elite, to make elite. So now let's hide, and then back and back again. Now we search for MetaHuman. If we don't have see MetaHuman, so we go again to the search, and then let's go to the second 0. But we search here if we unlock already. I think we didn't. But don't worry. Let's go to the second 0. If we didn't have see MetaHuman here. So okay. The last. So don't worry. Just go to the second 0 again. Search. Okay. Second 0 in the middle. Go to. Let's see if this is. I think this is not. We don't have see here reverse plus block. So search again, and let's go the last. This is the first 0 again. First 0, click. Go to. And this is the reverse plus. This is the reverse plus block. So let's go up for the block of MetaHuman Plus. I think this is, we got it now. Okay. So let's unlock again. The 0 become 1. We put 1. Search. Yes. And then this one becomes 7. Stand for lead. Yes. This second, the below of 7 is the XP. It means the level. Okay. You can put her all 9999, so it becomes 50 level. But I don't want to put, because I have already this one. But I unlock, but I lock. So it's gone. Error. Don't worry. Okay. No. Okay. You get it? So let's say again. Hide. Refresh. And then characters. So now let's see. We search again. Yes, here. Already here. The Human Metal Flash. So guys, it's easy, right? You can do this all characters. So, but first of all, I would like to thanks for my idol, the best hacker in the whole world. I think, not just joking. Zizo Blues to teach this one. Originally by Zizo Blues. Okay, so we already unlocked MetaHuman. So guys, we already have all characters we can unlock. See, let's just see my description to how to unlock. Okay, for example, if you want to unlock Red Lantern, just open this one to unlock Hal Jordan, right? Hal Jordan Red Lantern. Just open this one, and then gear, just the same way again, and then put the protection amulet. Okay, protection amulet, put here, and then game guardian, just the same way. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Just comment, just if you want asking, just asking me, just comment, and please like the video if you like. Thank you.